Hello guys, welcome to this piano tutorial lesson. And so today I'll be teaching you how to use these knob buttons here on piano PSR SX700. All right, I mostly use this when I'm setting worship, even praise as well, but I mostly use them in worship. All right, so I'm going to teach you how to use them and also teach you how to use multi-part control. All right, I'll focus my camera on the multi-part control thereafter. All right, so these live control buttons, it's either you press this my hand here, this assign button. If you press assign button, and when you look on the screen here, the two buttons will appear. That's filter and reverb. All right, that's how you press it. Or you go to this one. All right, just turn it a bit. So when you turn this one is for filter. All right, so you filter the sound when you're playing. All right, so when you press it, see how it's increasing. When you're turning, it's increasing. All right, now also this one, reverb. So when you touch this one, the two will come up at once. So even as reverb as well. So reverb, so you're reverbing the sound as well, right? And when you reverb the sound, it makes it to be heavier. All right, for example, let's start with reverb. All right, let me put it on 0. Okay, get it. It's on 0. All right, this on 0. All right, all right, let me let me put it on there. Okay, because I usually put it at 30. All right, 30, 31. All right, let's get the difference. When you do like that, it becomes heavier. All right, now how do we use okay, when you do that, now let's go to filter. This is filter here. All right, let me show you how I use filter. So this one gives a very nice feeling when you're praised, when you're doing worship and people are in the mood. You just give that filter sign, that filter sound when you just press. So for example, this is C. When I press it, I remain while holding, I just go to the filter. You get, then you go back. When you play that, then go back. All right, so when you do this, so when this is just for fit, this is 1. So if you can go to function 2, right? So this is number 2. Where are you? Oh, all right. So still assign. All right, still on assign. When you press assign twice, you see that you have this equal low gain and high gain. All right, so when you reduce here also, you get, all right, this on 32. I always put it on 32. The one low and the high one, they are equalized. All right, so when I press now assign button again, number 3 time, it takes me to style track. All right, the style track is 8 on 8, so you can allow it at that level. Okay guys, so the most important ones I usually use the first one, this number 1, filter and reverb. All right guys, so I'm going to show you how to use the multi-part control. All right, so the multi-part control helps you to store many voices to use at any time of your playing, to add voices to whatsoever thing, or melody to whatsoever thing you are doing. All right, so for example, I've stored one voice there. When you play a worship, then you come and take these 2, all right, 3 and 4. That's where I store those stuffs. So how do you set this? So each time you're playing your worship, then you come and press it. It gives some nice feeling. All right, so how do you store store this, you come to select button here. You select the button, you come to your screen. All right, so you see what they call gun and chime. That's what I'm using. All right, it's coming because I had already stored it there. So if I had not stored it yet on my piano, I'll come to this arrow button, press there, then I'll go to this one percussion. Yes, then I'm going to take number two. When I take number two, it takes me there. All right, so that's how they store it. So guys, this is how you do a nice setting for worship. All right, do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.